guys, welcome to my channel Healing Power. Today I am going to show you how to make a hair growth oil. So the ingredients are really very simple. You will need some castor oil, some henna with coconut oil, some olive oil, some sweet almond oil, some hibiscus or jaswand, which is known in Marathi. This oil helps in stimulating hair growth. So basically, this oil is made up of hibiscus and it helps in stimulating hair growth or thick hair or prevents from thinning of hair. And coconut oil is the must and the biggest boon for our hair. It gets penetrated into your scalp, and henna helps in increasing of hair growth. And castor oil is also one of the best oils, but it is very risky, guys, to apply it directly onto your hair. You should always dilute castor oil because it is the thickest form of oil. Then is olive oil, which keeps your scalp moisturized and does not allow the scalp to get any kind of dandruff or flaky dry kind of scalp. And sweet almond oil also penetrates into your scalp and helps in hair growth. So the ingredients are really very simple, and I have told where and which oil and where it helps onto your scalp. So let's get started. So first I'll add in some henna powder, that is henna and coconut oil mixture. So henna powder and coconut oil. So this is creamy kind of in texture, and in this I'll add in hibiscus oil. So henna powder and hibiscus oil, it's like sone pe suhaga kind of thing. So they really help in stimulating hair growth. Then is castor oil. So I'm just eyeballing all the amount of all the quantities that I am adding in. You are supposed to take all these quantities according to your hair length. So this is I'm just making for long hair. Then olive oil and almond oil. So I've just eyeballed the amount and I'm just mixing it. So it smells really nice. It smells heavenly, guys. And this recipe really helps in hair growth. So basically you have to apply this 3 to 4 times a week and wash off with shampoo and conditioner. So this hair oil basically helps in stimulating hair growth and many more. So what I basically do is I put this oil into a container like this, so I can directly pour into my scalp. And or else, if you don't have this kind of container, I just take a small bowl and I take a little amount of this oil and I dip in some cotton into it and directly apply it onto my scalp. This really helps in hair growth as it has all the best oils like almond oil, castor oil, olive oil, coconut oil, and hibiscus oil. So yeah guys, so I feel that you should try this once, and I'll just show you the texture. So this is my hand, and I'll just apply this little bit. So this is the texture of it. It's like a normal oil kind of texture. So I just have to massage it into my scalp, and you see how it quickly gets penetrated into your scalp, benefiting in hair growth. So you just have to apply this onto your scalp, and it does miracles, and like you will have seriously a long hair in just few months. But I'm sure guys, I'll tell you the truth, you are supposed to follow it. You are supposed to apply it regularly, then only it is beneficial and it is effective. So thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel and share my videos, like, and I love you so much. Take care. Bye. Keep smiling.